Can I wait? No, I'm so late. I'm very late.
Oh, hey, buddy. Hey.
Nope. Here. I'm so sorry. I'm late.
Are you,
I'm so sorry I'm so late. I didn't mean to be so late. I'm me and I'm here and I'm so sorry I'm late. Essentially, the bus didn't come, then the bus did come, but then there was this old woman counting change for the fare, like nickel, penny. Like, geez, Louise, let this woman on the bus. She's 107 years old. These are some of her last few moments of life.
resume?
Resume.
Come on. Come on.
From the French, of course. Resume, I believe, the past participle of... wow, that's no good. I mean, it's like, what lives in my pocket, right? Paper monster hungry.
Come on. We're supposed to be friends now.
Central City College, I'm a criminal justice major.
You said you had experience walking dogs.
Long afloat on shipless oceans, I did all my best to smile till your singing eyes and fingers drew me loving to your isle. Did I dream you dreamed about me? Were you here when I was forced out? Now my foolish boat is leaning, broken love load on your rocks. Here I am, waiting to hold you.
Oh gosh, I hope everyone's okay. See, in times of crisis, for dog work, I always bring a meat snack because it makes them feel calm because you never know what's gonna happen in this city. I mean, oh my gosh, right? I start on Monday.